1983 C10 Stepside two-wheel drive with a 305 crate motor, or pulled out of an old Camaro. Here we go. Let's go round two. We're gonna tear this one down. This is just a quick snippet teaser that the channel's back up. I try to put some more stuff in here as we got it out of the earlier condition and into this condition. Just wiping it down, knocking some of the widows out of it, just making sure everything's back where I wanted. I put the battery on the charger over there, and seeing if I can get some. I got the bumper over here. That'll probably be one of the first things I do, just to kind of make myself feel good about the project. The bigger thing here is I got a transmission linkage and potentially transmission that could be needing to be looked at pretty closely. Other than that, I'm just going to keep kind of cleaning it up. I'm going to try to get it turned over here shortly, back into park and or neutral. It's on shocks right now at the top of a hill, so I'm hoping it doesn't go south on me. And I guess my plan B is I got the Ford parked behind it. So anyways, I got a lot of content, stuff to be updating the channel. And I got young Master Rona doing a quick pollen splash, getting bad. Pretty clean. I'm definitely filming. Going down the right quarter. It's coming together. Start sanding and working on some of this stuff. Like that, right there. Hey. It's raining on me. Got that matching on both sides. This fender here got a little creasing. The bumper that was on here just swapped, folded up. You know, some little stuff here and there. It's just straight. Hope to see y'all on the next couple videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. 1983 C10. I'll put some pictures up so you guys can see what we're about to get into. Okay.